equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this maintenance task. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug your Dyson HS05 hairdryer from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to prevent losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the hairdryer. This will expose the internal components. Here, you may notice dust and debris accumulation. Using your soft brush, carefully clean the internal parts, ensuring you do not damage any delicate components. Regular cleaning can significantly enhance the performance of your device. After cleaning, inspect the internal wiring and connections. If you notice any frayed wires or loose connections, it's best to consult a professional. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. Now, let's focus on the filter. The Dyson HS05 has a removable filter that should be cleaned regularly. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Rinse it under warm water and allow it to dry completely before reattaching it. This step is crucial as a clean filter ensures optimal airflow and performance. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble the hairdryer by carefully placing the back cover on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement during use. Before you start using your hairdryer again, it's a good idea to test it. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We can provide you with a clear understanding of any potential costs involved. In summary, regular maintenance of your Dyson HS05 hairdryer is essential for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device remains in top condition. Remember, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and convenient service options. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.